I don't have a reversing camera on this. What? That video. You'll just follow me? Okay viewers, a friend of mine and I just went for a coffee at Strathalbyn, doing my favourite little ride. There, Macclesfield, Echunga, Aldgate, Stirling and Adelaide, although I'm not going that way. Just letting my friend know that he had his indicator still on. And now for the fun bit. Bit chilly today, but that's alright. It's dry, wind's not too bad. And now we've got these beautiful twisties. I do love this road, it's just magnificent fun. Could be a bit quicker at 100 k's, but we can't have everything. Now I was watching a video the other day about washing bikes, and as you've seen from one of my videos, I went camping with a friend and I came back and my bike was the dirtiest it's ever been, and I keep my bike pretty clean. So what did I do? I washed it with a truck wash chemical that was incredible. Honestly, the bike never looked as clean. And then I used the pressure washer, being careful not to get it in the electrics. Cleaned the chain up, cleaned everything up, lubed the chain, and it looked fantastic. And I will wash mine, give it a quick wash, which is a tidy up. I call it a tidy up, perhaps every couple of weeks, and then I give it a good thorough clean every 3 months, about every 3 months. And the good thing about cleaning your bike every 3 months really well is that you get to see your bike in detail, so that you may pick up things which you wouldn't ordinarily pick up that might need attention on the bike. So yes, that's what I do every 3 months, give it a really good thorough clean, and every couple of weeks I give it a quick clean. And when I say a quick clean, it's only about 20 minutes or so. And the good thorough clean, I might spend an hour and a half, a couple of hours at the most. Bikes aren't big. The only issue with bikes is they do have lots of nooks and crannies that you need to get into if you want it really clean. But I like riding the bike more than cleaning it. Beautiful through here, I love it. It is chilly today, it's only about 13 degrees. Very interesting corner. It's a bit wobbly, this one. You have to lean your bike.